Are you looking for the best folding Adirondack chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding Adirondack chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Ecommersify Inc. Adirondack Chair, made with poly lumber material proving to be fade-resistant and can be situated under any weather conditions. It preserves the length of 31 inches with a width of 36 inches, making it wide enough for a variety of people. From ground level it is lifted to 14 inches of height and is measured from the seat to the top height, is 33. This particular model looks like a bright orange color which slightly resembles real wood, so it requires a bit more maintenance and attention to it. Assembled with stainless steel bolts which are painted to the color of the chair. Supplied assembled, it would take approximately 10 minutes to set it up. Aside from being a foldable chair, it gives off the impression of sturdiness and durability along the side with class and premium elements. Other than a bright orange tone, Ecommersify Inc. provides a wide range of color tones for feasibility. At number 4, Phat Deluxe Adirondack Chair. Weighing 47 pounds, it can withhold a maximum weight of 450 pounds, which makes it perfect for your garden or relaxing space. Chill out with your friends while having drinks on it, making it classy and modern. Though it could be heavy, moving it around is quite simple and easy, which increases the chances of portability and convenience. With different color tones available, you can buy a suiting color according to your garden color theme. What makes it better is that it is a comfortable chair having the dimensions of 32 by 35 and being 40 inches tall. Hence, having a perfect dimension for every man, woman, even minors can use this relaxation chair. The low price tag to it makes it even more affordable for those who are budget-oriented, though it needs a little more care as it is built with premium quality of poly material, making it durable and can be relied on for a few years. This type of built quality in nature, friendly and durable to your pleasure. At number 3, Poly Fanback Adirondack Chair. The adhesive pink color tone gives a colored touch to your house environment. But if you don't like this color, that's fine, because this company offers 16 different shades of color tones. Made in the USA, this Adirondack doesn't need maintenance as it is built with a premium quality of poly wood, which provides the guarantee of not cracking and splintering. This high-quality material cannot be faded easily or molded, thus being efficient and long-lasting. Furthermore, the company is providing a whopping 12 years of warranty for your peace of mind. Well, I don't think that it would need it because of its sturdy nature. It leaves a dominant mark on the buyer. At number 2, Phat Folding Adirondack Chair. This model of Phat weighs around 43 pounds. And measures to the height of 30 inches with a width of 35. Similar to the previously mentioned Phat chair, it also can lift a maximum weight of 450 pounds, making it a sensible choice for every type of consumer. The high quality of poly material stand off from other competitors, making it durable and can face any circumstances. For sure, it would not break off or mold according to the quality which is used. The poly material is environmental friendly, thus covering all the requirements of a consumer. At number 1, Phat Balcony Chair. It is the third time that I mentioned this brand, but it creates a fascinating range of designs of the Adirondack. The balcony chair is a uniquely designed and will complete your garden balcony look. It gives a really pleasant impression on the consumer of this product. It is high lifted, making this chair comfy, and also has a contoured back for relaxation. Besides that, it offers a wide of color schemes, thus being suitable for every color theme. Low maintenance helps the user to save a ton of money. Measuring at the weight at 63 pounds. It has 27 inches of height and 48 inches of width. It is not easy to transfer it, but it creates a dominating and modern look wherever it is situated. Made with high-quality material, it gives a sturdy and durable look and can have a long life expectancy if well cared for and maintained. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.